To enable or disable live transcribe in Samsung Galaxy S26 Ultra, first of all, you will need to open settings on your device. Next step is to enter the accessibility, and then we can go to hearing enhancement. Look for live transcribe on the top, and then you'll be able to enable this option. You can also choose how to start this function by tapping a button in a quick settings panel. That means the panel that you swipe from the top right corner of the screen. By tapping accessibility button, you will see a new button floating around your screen that you can use to activate this. You can press side and volume up button at the same time. That means the side and volume up. And you can also press and hold volume up and down button for 3 seconds. So you can choose multiple options if you like. Then if you click on OK, you'll be able to find this icon, and then you can use live transcribing. And that is basically everything. Thanks so much for watching, and if you like this video, please consider subscribing.